Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 really important tips on how you can keep more money. So having money is really important because money is a form of exchange. It's the tool that we use to allow ourselves to purchase goods and services, things that we desire. Not only that, it's also an expression of wealth. It's like the physical tool that we use to express the wealth that we have. So having money is really important. So being able to keep that money is the key, because you can allow plenty of money in your life, and if you're not good at keeping it, then what's going to happen is you're just going to keep yourself in that negative experience with money. So it's really important that first up you have a healthy relationship with money, because that will allow it to come into your life. But the second part of the healthy relationship with money is having the ability to be comfortable with it, being able to love and appreciate yourself, having that money around you, being comfortable with it in your life. And so how do we allow ourselves to keep more money? And the first thing that I'm going to give you as a tip to being able to keep more money is carry some cash with you. Regardless of how much money you've got in your bank accounts, make sure you've got some sort of cash in your pocket or in your wallet or in your purse, whatever you use. Having that cash is really important, because every time you open your wallet, you see that there is cash there. And when you see that cash being there, it allows you to actually be comfortable having it there. So the more you become comfortable with it being there, the more you're going to allow it to come to you. So make sure that you carry some cash around with you, because a lot of people have their money in their cards, and I do the same thing. I spend money on my cards, whether they're credit cards or whether they're debit cards, where you've actually got the money there and you're just using your money to spend. But it's not the same. It's not the same. It doesn't matter how much you've got in that card. It's still not the physical sign or the equivalent of carrying cash. So it's really important that you actually carry some cash with you. You open your wallet, you see that there's more than enough there. Even if you're using a card, even if you're not using that cash, you're still seeing that there's plenty there. And that is really important, because that allows you to be comfortable with it. The second thing that's really important when it comes to money or keeping money or having money is have gratitude for the money that you have. When you express gratitude for what is already there, you open the door to allow more in. Gratitude builds faith. So when you are manifesting to have more money so that you can buy the things that you would like to experience in your life, having gratitude for what is there now allows you to build that faith and allows you to see that, yes, I have plenty. And it goes back to looking at opening your wallet and having gratitude for the money that's there, the cash that's there, because you're seeing that, it's reinforcing that every time. So having gratitude for what you currently have is really important. Even the money that you're spending, have gratitude for it. As you send it out with that right energy of gratitude, that you've created the ability for somebody to provide a service that you desire. You have created them to be there. So have gratitude for that. Even if it's a telephone bill that you're paying, have gratitude for it, because you manifested that phone company into existence so that you would have a service where you can have a mobile phone that you can be in contact with anybody whenever you choose to. So it's really important to have gratitude. And the third and most important thing is create a savings account. Create an account that you do not touch. It is really important. So what you do is, whatever money you make, 10% of that money goes into that bank account and you do not touch it. That money over time will build. And what you do with that money is you invest it in things that are going to give you a financial return. So whether it's buying a property, whether it's investing in shares, whether it's investing in something, but that something has to be giving you a financial return. So what you're doing is using that to invest into assets, and an asset is something that puts more in your pocket than takes from your pocket. That is really important. As long as you are getting a financial return from whatever that investment is, then it is an asset. So you create assets that actually bring you money. So what happens is the money that you have is working for you. And it's really important to change that mindset. Allow yourself to be a success thinker. When you start putting that money aside, even if it's only a little bit, it doesn't matter. What happens is over time it starts to build, and the more it starts to build, the more excited you get, the more confident you get about yourself, about your dreams and your aspirations, and it builds confidence. Building confidence is what's going to give you that faith that you can have all your desires. And so over time, you'll see that account start to build up. And when you start to see it build up, you'll find ways where you can actually put more money into that account. It's going to allow more money into your life. It's going to allow you to save more money. It's going to allow you to invest in things that are going to give you a financial return. And the key to having financial abundance is having many different sources of income. The more sources of income you have, the quicker and easier your success is going to grow, and the quicker and easier you'll have all your desires. So they're the three really important things in allowing yourself to have and keep more money. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with people, your friends, your family, people that you think can benefit from it. And in the next video, I'll actually give you some downloads to help you get started in having that mindset that you can actually take those steps and allow yourself to create more abundance and allow yourself to have more abundance in your life, because success is your birthright and you deserve to have everything that you desire. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon.